Hey Stacey,
Hey Sabrina,
can you tell me why my car battery keeps on dying?
I can. There's a few things actually that can cause that. You're looking at a possible parasitic draw issue, which means that you've left some things plugged into your car, or maybe you have a light that's staying on either in the glove box or under the hood. Charging system, as far as the alternator or regulator, can cause an issue and cause premature wear to the battery. Temperatures, hot and cold, outside. The batteries don't like extremes like that. By the way, before I go any further, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Wayside Garage channel. Corrosion is a big thing. So making sure that you have your battery serviced at least once a year so that way it can prolong the life of your battery. Short trips. I know a lot of people are not driving as much as they used to. The short trips are not allowing your battery to get up to its full charge, which causes the battery depletion to happen sooner. And then last but not least, the age of the battery. Batteries normally last anywhere from 2 to 5 years, depending on the quality of the battery. What can you do in order to make sure that you're not having any issues, or that you want to come out and start your car? Make an appointment. Schedule yourself a reservation with Wayside Garage in Seaside, California. Give us a call, 831-899-2425, or you can schedule online at our website at www.waysidegarage.com.
Now, Stacey, I have a quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Could my alternator be causing my battery to go dead?
Oh, absolutely. So coming in, making sure that you get it tested. So we'll test your battery, test the charging system. We'll also test the starting system to make sure that there's not something else causing your battery to fail prematurely.
Amazing. I'll be stopping by. Thank you so much.
Thanks.